Hello guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. This is Dhruval Patel, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable or deactivate Instagram account temporarily. As Instagram is the social media platform, the procedure is going to be the same whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android. Watch this video till the end to understand the entire process. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, welcome to my iPhone screen. First of all, make sure you are connected to the internet. Then open the Instagram application. At the bottom right corner, go to your profile. At the top right corner, click on three lines. Go to settings. Go to help. Go to help center. Let the web page get loaded. Then go to managing your account. Go to delete your account. So guys, you can see we are given three options. So we will go with second option, that is how do I delete my Instagram account. We won't go with first option, that is how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account, because if you select the first option, then you won't be able to disable your Instagram account within the app. You will need to do the entire process in your browser. So I will select second option, that is how do I delete my Instagram account. Then scroll down and go to the delete your account page here. After this, click on temporarily disable. So now scroll down. Here you will be asked the reason why you want to disable your Instagram account. So select one of these options which is appropriate to you. For this I will select just need a break. Okay. Here enter your Instagram account password and then click on temporarily disable account. So guys, this will temporarily disable your Instagram account. If you wish to return to Instagram, then open your Instagram application and log in with your username and password, and your account will get reactivated. So guys, this process is as simple as that. So guys, if you think this video was useful to you, then please hit the like button down below and don't forget to share this video with the needy ones. If you have any kind of questions, then please feel free to ask in the comment section down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.